Give a big hand for Neha Jha.
Good evening to all of you. This is Neha Jha from Techno. Today I am here to put forth my views over a very knowledgeable and famous lady who is none other than our first woman Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Under the shadow of Shastri's death, India had to choose its next Prime Minister. It was a complex problem in front of the country. The person who should succeed to such a position should have integrity, ability, confidence, experience to lead the nation for her survival. A woman was chosen for that position. She was none other than the daughter of our first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, and her name was Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and her full name was Indra Priyadarshini Gandhi. She was born on 19th November 1970 in Allahabad, UP, which place is now known as Prayagraj. She was born in a highly educated and renowned family. Renowned family. She was exposed to highly educative and instructive surroundings both at home and outside. Her learned father and grandfather were always there to answer her question. At the age of 12, she organized children messenger service to carry message from one place to another place and one leader to another. She was drawn into active politics. She gained her knowledge about politics with her father and with Gandhiji. Those were the days when women marched shoulder to shoulder with men and gave new momentum to the freedom struggle. She went to the jail in 1942 during the Quit India movement. She got married with Firoz Gandhi. There was a big conflict behind her marriage, and they had two sons, Rajiv Gandhi and Sanjay Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi was her eldest son, and elder son. And after her husband's death in 1960, she decided to dedicate herself for the nation and for social work and for the betterment of downtrodden and poor. That's why she initiated 20-point programs, which was a bold way to bring prosperity and happiness to the poor. She was elected as
To the poor.
She was elected as the president of Indian National Congress in 1960. Upon her father's death in 1964, she joined the Shastri's cabinet and became as a Minister of Information and Broadcasting. She was very bold and courageous lady. She never hesitated to raise her voice against injustice.
Got agitated.
She never got hesitated to raise her voice against injustice, and she never got hesitate while taking toughest decision. Got hesitated while taking toughest decision. She was woman of letter. She did whatever she said. And she was also led the Indo-Pakistan War in 1917. She was the reason behind India's victory because of her intelligence and unprecedented centralization of power. She has enough knowledge about politics and about the current. She had enough knowledge about the politics. That's why she was the successful Prime Minister of India. And she also helped Bangladesh to attain independence. And she was the part of too many movements, and she organized children welfare schemes, and she also worked for Hindu-Muslim unity She worked for the Hindu-Muslim unity when communal riot broke out in 1947. She organized relief work for refugees and refuses. And she was lady who think about the poor and downtrodden. She thought about the poor and downtrodden.
About the poor. Either you say the poor or you say poors.
About the poor or downtrodden. She was down to earth lady. She always talked politely with everyone. Talked politely with everyone. After ordering in military in Operation Blue Star, she got shooted by her own bodyguard. Swatan Singh and Bian Singh. They both were the culprit who shooted her. And after her death, the court was given both the culprits death sentence, and the movie
Death sentence was given by court.
Death sentence was given by court, and the movie which was made in the favor of both the culprits. That movie was also banned, and in her memory there is a Shanti Sthal beside Rajghat. And in India we have the biggest airport, which is known as Indira Gandhi International Airport. And at last I would like to tell that she was a great woman whom we never forget. And for me as a girl, she is a idol for me, and she gave me a lesson to be bold and be active for myself. Thank you.
Thank you very much.